All right, y'all, so this is what I got. So this is herb and butter and cheddar broccoli rice. And then right here, I went on made this be like a little snacky snack or whatever. Yeah, I did my famous boiled peanuts. A little sweet, little spice. All right, and then I got some spinach that I seasoned. Okay, some spinach on that. And then I got homemade hot water cornbread. Yes, I second guessed myself on the pans. I didn't make enough batter. I forgot that these pans is bigger than what I normally would do. So yeah, I put, you see them slits in it because I was checking to make sure it was done. So I got 2 pans. This one right here took a little longer, I think, because it was a little thicker. But I gotta make more cornbread because I want to freeze some of it. Look at that cornbread. So now we about to go to Sam's Club before anybody eat any of this, because I want to get 2 of those rotisserie chickens that's already done, and that's gonna be our meat with this. Okay, that's gonna be our meat with this. So yeah, that's why we about to run out to Sam's Club real quick while the kids is done with their classes, and get this, and then we're gonna come back and we gonna eat. So when y'all, I'm gonna see y'all in Sam's Club. Okay, I couldn't wait. I had to just show you. I had to show you, y'all. All right, y'all. So I ain't going Sam's Club. We at Sam's Club, but I ain't go inside. I'm hungry, y'all. I know I ain't got no energy after cooking, but I'm happy that I got that started, got it going, got it, you know, together, because tomorrow I'll probably be doing this all week, cooking different things. That way I don't have to cook every day. I can get like a stockpile of already cooked food. I already told y'all that's what I've been planning, but I got behind. So yeah, y'all, so I am ready to eat. It is 3:22 here. I'm not sure what else I'm gonna do today, but I'm trying to be productive as possible, you know. Get much done as I can, because getting it done right now will make it easier on me in the upcoming days and months and all that good stuff, y'all. It is, what is it saying? Let's see. They say it's 76 out right now, and it's 3 something. I mean, it's warm. It has a nice little cool breeze, but golly, y'all, fall is right around the corner, and I feel like we're gonna have an interesting winter. I really feel like that, because the weather is changing early. I know for this area it's changing way earlier than what it would be. Like these temps, whether it's being controlled or what, or naturally done, controlled or whatever, it's changing, y'all. So hopefully they got some chicken. They didn't have none yesterday, but hopefully they had some chicken. They got some chicken. So one thing, I have had a productive day, because if y'all was in my live screen today where we cooked eggs and scrambled eggs and sunny side up eggs as with tea light candles as part of my little series, preparing for the unknown with MGL. If y'all don't know about that, that is something I am doing at 12 p.m. Monday through Friday. From 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time to 1 p.m. It's where we talk about, you know, prepping. We talk about what's going on and everything like that, and then I vlog the rest of the day. But yeah, y'all. So yeah, so check it out. I don't know what the topic is gonna be from day to day, but check it out, and you know, we're gonna prep together, and we're gonna talk about it, and we're gonna strategize and see what we can do to make things better for us in this world, this whole system of things, as my grandma would say, especially with how everything is, you know, playing out, y'all. Y'all, this is what it look like. We are back home. Got my rice, cornbread, oh, that rotisserie chicken, and that spinach, y'all. So I'm about to dig in, y'all.